Hello, young at heart adventurers out there.
Hello, everyone.
What a beautiful day it is today.
It's about 74 degrees.
And well, yeah, we are on lockdown here in Raleigh, North Carolina, our whole state actually. But luckily, they do let us go out to exercise and to be in the parks are open. Well, certain parks are open. The greenway trails are open. And you know, everywhere we go, we see a lot of people out with their dogs or with their Frisbees or just having a good time.
Just walking, taking a hike.
Just everyone trying to maintain their distance and their social distancing. We are down here today at beautiful Dorthea Dix Park here in Raleigh, near downtown Raleigh, and people are flying kites. A lot of people are flying these large model airplanes. We brought our drone down because this is one of the few parks here in Raleigh where they encourage you to fly your drones here, and it's drone safe.
And of course we brought Riley, and she's basking in the sunshine.
Riley is just any excuse for a relax on the grass, right, Rye? Okay, here we go.
And I think it's out of sight already.
We're already getting a nice view of the skyline here, right over the trees. I'm going to head over that way, over those trees, and see if we can get a better view. I'm at an altitude of 218 feet. Look at that view. Okay, now it's your turn. So what are you guys doing out here today?
Getting out of the house.
Enjoying a beautiful day.
It is beautiful.
Together in our house for a week now, and we just decided to take advantage of these beautiful citrus bikes.
So what are these bikes here?
Here, go ahead.
These are rental bikes that you can get all pretty much throughout Raleigh, and there's a little app on the phone, and you enter the little 5-digit bike code that each bike has a unique code. Enter on your phone. Within 30 seconds, you hear a click, you pull it out, and it charges your credit card on file. It's not very expensive either. One of the nice things about today is the three of us are doing the same thing rather than doing our own form of exercise. So this is a nice little family affair.
Well, it's a beautiful day to be out.
Yeah.
All right, we'll enjoy. All right, thank you.
Another day.
Well, I work today, and after work we decided to come down to Bond Park in Cary, North Carolina for a little exercise/social distancing. Social distancing. So we are on this nice little trail that goes around the lake here, and we have our doggy stroller.
And we have our doggy here. She's walking.
Because you might think it's funny to have a doggy stroller, but she is 14, so she usually goes quite a ways and then peters out, and we end up...
Or
carrying her.
Yeah, or she goes really slowly, and so we
Oh, yeah, she keeps stopping every 2 seconds.
decide if we want to get a little exercise, we need to walk faster, so we just put her in there, and she enjoys looking out the front and looking at people and dogs coming by.
It does have a little hole here that she can see out.
Got a little tuckered
You're
out.
riding in style, girl.
Hey, say hi. She's a little warm. It's cool here in the shade, but I think she's ready for a break, and then she'll walk a little bit later on.
Pretty easy to maintain our 6-foot distance. There's really not a lot of people out here, just some bikes and some people walking here and there. Nice wide trails. But you're closer than 6 feet. Okay, now we switched to cam 2.
Cam number 2.
This is cam 2 that we found an old camera we had, because we are going to do a cool adventure today where I go one way and my better half goes the other, and we hopefully will meet in the middle like the railroad.
Hopefully.
In the middle of the tunnel.
Well, we could meet somewhere other than that.
You never know where we're going to meet. So this will be interesting. We'll take you guys along with us and we'll see who gets back first.
All right.
But I'm taking the wooded up and down hilly trail.
Lake trail.
Yeah, and you're taking the greenway trail.
Just
which,
because I have Riley,
yeah,
I need to push the stroller.
This thing does not do well in 4-wheel drive mode.
Hi. That little boy that just went by on the bike, he looked in and he said, "That baby's a dog."
Looks like you've come to the end of the road.
Yep.
This is where 4-wheel drive kicks in right here.
This is where you go to the lake trail and we go to the greenway trail.
All right.
Right?
Have a safe trip.
You too.
Okay, see you later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good hike. All along the trail, we see these homeschool papers where kids are out in nature, but they can also stop and do a little math and spelling and that type of thing while they're out for a walk with their family.
It's really very peaceful to be back here in the woods alone and see another hiker every so often, but pretty serene back here really, and you can see the beautiful greenery and kind of swampy back here really, but normally the lake would be a lot higher, but we haven't had any rain lately, so it's been pretty dry. But it's just so relaxing with all this crazy stuff going on in the world to just get out and get in nature, get some fresh air and sunshine, stay away from people, but just take advantage of the great outdoors when you can.
And we see yet another one. Math problems.
So I'm looking for a good place to fly my drone out over this lake. And I think I might have spotted it right over here. Okay, from here I was able to launch the drone out and fly out over here all the way down over that dam, and then kind of showing the marina and then back again. Pretty view of the lake, coming around the other side to meet Mike. Well, we made it to the steps, Riley.
We have to watch the steps. See where he is.
I wonder where Lorie is. Think she's back yet? I've been kind of going slower. I've been taking a lot of videos, doing my drone flight, and just kind of taking my time back through here. It's so pretty. And she's got the stroller and the paved walkway, so she's probably been waiting for me for 15 minutes. Some beautiful houses along this trail. When you're coming along this side of the lake, there's houses up on the hill, and nice serene place to have a house, right? Hear the wind chimes. And we come out on the other side of the trail, but where is Lorie? Don't tell me I beat her here. It's hard to believe. I think that the mystery is solved. She's way back here, but she said it's only because she has to go to the bathroom. So she started heading back toward the parking lot, so it wouldn't be so far. She said she was waiting for me for 10 minutes. Watch how mad she is. There she sees me.
There he is.
Hello.
Hey.
Are you mad at me for being so long?
Yeah.
I thought so. Let's go find you the bathroom.
How was the walk?
Good.
Good.
Okay. Well, we sure had a great time out here today and enjoying the sunshine and fresh air. And
Yeah, it was beautiful.
it's like a perfect temperature. And hey guys, you got to really be safe. You really do have to take the precautions, but it doesn't mean we
Wash
have to
those
just
hands.
sit in the closet all day long. I mean, just get outside, get some fresh air, just keep your hands clean, don't touch your face, and just stay away from people. Except I got to be close to this one because we sleep in the same bed anyway.
Yes.
But everybody else can be at a 6 foot or more distance.
That's right.
All right.
But wash your hands and sanitize your hands, and I know it's really hard not to touch your face. Everybody says that, and everybody's always touching their face, but be very careful.
Stay safe, everyone. Talk to you
Bye-bye.
soon.